Have you ever walked out of an exam thinking, I knew the answers, but I didn't have time to finish? That's not a knowledge problem. That's a time management problem. Today, I'll show you how to use every single minute of your CBSE English exam effectively, so you don't just write, you complete and score. The golden 15 minutes. Reading time. Before the exam begins, CBSE gives you 15 minutes of reading time. Important rule. You cannot open your answer booklet, you cannot write anything, not even rough work. So what should you do? Use your mind strategically. First, scan the entire question paper. Don't read deeply, just observe. Look at all sections: reading, grammar, writing, literature. Second, identify easy questions. Your brain should say, yes, I know this. I can do this. This builds confidence even before writing. Third, create a mental plan. Decide your order of attempt. Repeat this sequence in your mind. 40, 20, 40, 70, 10. Fix it in your memory. Fourth, stay calm. Take a deep breath. Tell yourself, I am prepared. I have a plan. Remember, students who use these 15 minutes properly start the exam with confidence. Start of exam, your power move. The moment you are allowed to write, go to your rough sheet and write 40, 20, 40, 70, 10. This is your time map. This will guide you for the next 3 hours. Reading section. 40 minutes. You have 2 passages, so give 20 minutes for each. Start smart. First, read the questions, then read the passage. This helps your brain find answers faster. Since you cannot underline, use your memory to track keywords like names, dates, and ideas. If needed, use your rough sheet to note question numbers. Very important. Do not spend extra time on one passage. Even if it feels difficult, move on after 20 minutes. CBSE papers are designed to test time control, not perfection. Grammar section. 20 minutes. This is your scoring and speed section. Go for easy questions first. Build confidence quickly. If you are unsure, don't stop. Mark the question number on your rough sheet and move ahead. Use grammar rules and elimination method. Remember, overthinking reduces speed. Quick decisions score more marks here. Writing section. 40 minutes. This section needs planning. Follow this simple rule. 5 minutes plan, 30 minutes write. 5 minutes check first 5 minutes. Use your rough sheet. Write your main idea, points, and examples. Next 30 minutes. Write your answer clearly. Use paragraphs. Follow structure. Point to explanation to example. Final 5 minutes. Check spelling, grammar, and conclusion. Important CBSE tip. Well-structured answers always score higher than long answers. Literature section. 70 minutes. This is the most important section. Start with planning. Spend 10 minutes reading all questions and deciding your order. On your rough sheet, note key points, character names, themes, important ideas. Next, spend 55 minutes writing answers. Use clear paragraphs, relevant points, simple explanations. You don't always need long quotes, but correct ideas and clarity are very important. Final 5 minutes. Check if all parts of the question are answered. Many students lose marks because they miss one part of the question. Revision 10 minutes. This is your mark-saving time. First, check. Did you answer all questions? Second, check question numbers. Wrong numbering equals loss of marks. Third, correct small mistakes, spelling, grammar. Missing words. These are easy marks. Don't lose them. Important rule, do not start new answers now. Only revise. Let's quickly revise your full plan. 15 minutes, read and plan, no writing. Then write your time code. 40, 20, 40, 70, 10. Reading, 40 minutes. Grammar, 20 minutes. Writing, 40 minutes. Literature, 70 minutes. Revision, 10 minutes. Your rough sheet is your strategy space. Use it for planning and tracking. Powerful ending. Same preparation, but better time management. Gives better marks. Trust your plan. Stay calm. Complete your paper. And remember, exams are not just about what you know, but how well you manage your time. All the best. Go and ace your exam.